Dear students, in this video, I will tell you about the real valued function. What is the meaning of the real valued function? A function which has either real or one of its subset as its range is called the real valued function. If its domain is also either real or a subset of real, then it is called the real function. So any function which has the subset all the values, means all the x and fx are real, then you can say this is the real valued function. In the real valued function, if we want to find the domain and range, as I told you about the domain and range, domain means the values of x in the function and range means the values of y. In the other way, you can say that the pre-image is called domain and image is called the range. Also in the one more thing, you can say that if the function is y is equal to fx, then x is called domain and y is called range. Y means whole fx is called range. In a real function f such that x tending to y, इसको अगर लिखें हम तो y is equal to fx भी लिख सकते हैं, but that is represent in the form of equation and it is represent in the form of function. मतलब कि एक representation कैसे देते हैं. The set of all real values of x for which fx is real is called domain. मतलब जो x का set, अगर हम if we take the values of x and this is the real value and set of x for which the fx gives the real function, real values, then that values of x known as domain. Similarly, if fx, the set of images of fx for all, ये symbol जो है for all का होता है, for all x belongs to domain, मतलब जिन x जो x domain में belong कर रहे हैं उनके लिए जो fx आ रहा है यानी x की वैल्यूज रखने में, तो ये सेट भी रियल नंबर होगा और इसी सेट को बोलते हैं रेंज. दिस इज कॉल्ड रेंज. तो df is equal to x such that x belongs to r, comma fx belongs to r, मतलब fx should be a real number. Similarly, range is the fx such that for all x belongs to d.